So I use the same intro sound I've been using all this while, and I don't know what YouTube is telling me. So this is me using my voice as an intro till I get a new sound. It's so good to have you back. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I blur the background of this video. Now let me show you how this video was prior to me blurring the background. And this is how it is after blurring the background. So which do you prefer? Blurring the background of your video gives it a more professional and cinematic look. It elevates your content, whether you're filming in a cluttered room or you just want to highlight yourself. Blurring the background of your video makes a whole difference. To get started, you need an editing software. In this video, we're going to be using Capcut, but the same steps apply to most editing programs. If you are new to editing, don't worry, it's going to be very easy for you to understand. Let's get started. And one more thing, if you do not have Capcut in your phone, download it. So to get started, open up your Capcut app, then you get to the interface, click on New Project, and you'll be directed to your gallery. Select the clip you want to work with and click on Add to import that video to Capcut. You're going to see how cluttered my background is. It was on purpose, so you can see how the blur effect can help your video. Now check on the down menu, you will see Edit Audio. Swipe to where you have effects and click on Effect. Capcut has a whole lot of effects to work with, but today we are going to explore the blur effect. So click on Video Effect. 1001 video effect will pop up. And if you are to just use your hand and swipe or scroll to search for blur, it will take forever. So just click on the search bar and type blur, then search. That's why you need an internet connection to work on Capcut. So many options will pop up and you will use the first one. I like using the first blur effect. Then apply to my video. Just click on it and it will apply to your video. Click on cancel, then click on the check mark to apply the effect. Now your video has been blurred, but it's only a small portion. You have to use your hand and drag it to the end of your video to apply all over. So don't forget to mute this particular clip. You will not have to mute the other one that you would overlay, but mute this one. Okay, check your drop down menu again. You find overlay. Click on overlay. You have add overlay. Click on that. Select the same video that you selected earlier and add again. Then using your hand, adjust the clip to fit the size of the screen. Correct. Now let's go back to the drop down menu, swipe and select remove BG, that's remove background. Click on that and you have auto removal, custom removal. Click on auto removal and wait for your background to be removed. It will take a while for that feature to be applied. So all you have to do is exercise patience. So while waiting for that feature to be applied, can you please take a moment to support this channel by liking this video and subscribing? It will mean a lot to me. Thank you. Okay, so now it's almost done. And did you see that background removed? My cluttered background has been hidden. If you want it more blurry, you can adjust and make it more blurry. Okay, so when you're satisfied with everything, just click on export. You can actually alter your resolution. Click on export your video into your gallery, and then you can post it on any platform of your choice. And here you are, you've learned how to blur the background of your video to make your content look more professional. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to my channel so that you get to see more editing tips. If you have any question, kindly drop in the comments and I'll get back to you. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.